for a man like Vybz Kartel reach out to Skillibeng and say, youth, you know, say, hey, big up the Cartel for make me feel.
A few moments later.
How you feel about Cartel, Vybz Kartel?
How I feel about Vybz
he's
Kartel?
coming to mind every time I hear you talk.
I don't really feel anything about any men, you know, because that sound emotional, but
2,000 years later.
Because without him, we would really to follow up music certainly, you know, because Cartel style of music is where Skillibeng era music built from.
Yes.
One eternity later.
Who taught you that? How'd you learn that?
It was just a self-start thing along with, because I would really say Vybz Kartel alone, because I listen all music. I listen I listen a lot of genres of music.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
No don't know, you know. Yo people, me I tell you no, I feel hear what I go on. Zane, you see all the way I go on the dancehall now, are because majority of them young artists go down the same road. The love man mentality, the confusion, them no know what them want, so them start follow. Man give them pill. You understand? Yeah man, but look here. Alkaline, all of the thing them Alkaline go through, it exposed all of these artists. But you know what the thing what happen now with Alkaline and Skillibeng are the same question them in line. But look here now. One bow and one no bow. But one become more successful and more impact in a dancehall. You understand? Which is Alkaline. But look what I go on. I want to not take in the video people car. Yo, this very interested. You understand? Yeah man, listen this.
Yes. And I mean, for a man like Vybz Kartel reach out to Skillibeng and say, youth, you know, say, hey, I mean, respect for that. And as a youth, when I really want out of music still, if I can collaborate with my favorite artists and be a part of that, the star.
You know, I realize that Vybz Kartel give them artists a pill. So when Skillibeng boss, you hear what I said a while ago? So Vybz Kartel reach out to him. Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel they are prison. And him a reach out to Skillibeng. So you know what him do? Him reach out so him can pull in them money. See, yeah man, forward. That's why I'm calling him the prince. You understand? Because him can control him. But through them artists you know, them love man, them easily just go take the pill and drink some water. You understand? But listen what I go on.
Life and big up the Cartel for make me feel.
How you feel about Cartel, Vybz Kartel?
How I feel about Vybz
he's
Kartel?
coming to mind every time I hear you talk.
I don't really feel anything about any men, you know, because that sound emotional, but
Guess what me I try to tell you? See we how Skillibeng say it. See Skillibeng say Vybz Kartel make him feel. See them ask Alkaline the same question. How him feel about Vybz Kartel. So you realize enough of these artists have feelings for Kartel. Them feel Vybz Kartel make them feel some type of way. You understand? But Alkaline is not that man. Alkaline say, yo, look here. Him no feel for no man. Him a do him own a thing in a dancehall right now. And this is why Alkaline came out on top and surpassed all these artists. You understand? On a superstar level. Because the whole of them under one next man wing. I take pill. You understand? Yeah man. But listen to the video people.
The star way there, you know, from music. Yeah, because without him, we would really to follow up music certainly, you know, because Cartel style of music is where Skillibeng era music built from.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Records. Who taught you that? How'd you learn that?
People, remember what him just say a while ago, you know. Him say, Vybz Kartel make him a do this. You understand? Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel make him a do this. So him do a next interview now, which me I go play it. And you go hear what him say. That's why I tell you, say, these artists confuse. You see the love man mentality? Yeah man. Love man syndrome. This is what happened. That's why Vice Cartel can come out of prison and them have to just lay back. You understand? Because them look up to him too much. Them nah. This is the thing, you know. Them no want to be greater than Vice Cartel. Them want to sit down on the bench with him. That is a problem. But remember people, remember him saying, you know, a cartel make him do this and Ray and make him continue to do this and Ray. But look what I'm going to say in another video. Yeah.
It was just a self-starting along with, because more really say Vibes Cartel alone, because I listen all music. I listen listen a lot of genres of music. And one of the persons who did this the best was Vibes Cartel for me.
Yeah. You see, it's what I try to tell you. Why me I tell you? Vice Cartel. Sometimes I wish you know they put strength in a career than putting a strength in a man. So this see what Vice Cartel I do know you know. I this him I do right now, you know. So if I this you want to do Skillibeng, go and go do it.
And it wasn't even about learning from Vice Cartel. It's a thing where me have to even teach myself by recording over and over again. Forget it. You see what I say? So it's a combination of self-teaching and things that I learn from outside music, other artists, just being interested in everything I go on to learn that.
People, the man just say one bag and nothing a while ago. Skillibeng. Bro, me see why yo, John, oh brother. Me see why I know you can't afford with a good song, bro. Like, bro, you just say one bag of wool, nothing a while ago, brother. Nothing what you say a while ago, you don't even make no sense. Bro, you no confused. Because you don't follow back a man too much. And that with Uno, bro, that's why you no reach certain place in the game, brother. Yeah, you sign and these things, but when the label put you aside, where your career go? The song them, where go big, I know your song them, brother. The Shake It to the Max, the Tyler Jump, all these collabs and every little thing, and a year thing that now do nothing for your career, bro. Because it not give the fan base what you want. You understand? But bro, you just say one bag of crap there, sir.
So anyway, we forget it from this I learn it from. Yo. Yeah, so.
And you're giving him, you continue to be a youth who will spring a surprise. When some artists now do, you do it. Like when you said, you're not redoing the foundation. You're building on it.
Can't get your master.
People, seeing, you see when Winford say, you're not doing it like some artists, you know who I talk? Alkaline. Zine, one video will come up next and I go see what me I talk about. Everything in line. You see that interview with Skillibeng though? Everything is about where Alkaline never bow to Cartel. Cause he must say, yo, you know, he must tell Skillibeng, say, you know, do it like some man. I try change the thing and every little thing. But look here now. You see that question where I go ask Alkaline? Remember, you know, the man put it forward for say, yo, Alkaline I try damage the music, you know. And him no. You see what I try to say? Him no respect who did it before. But listen what I go on.
So no, they have to mash down the system then. Like,
When you say mash down the system, what do you mean?
to change what the status quo. And to do it your way and to make it yours. And you respect those before you. And now, so do you respect those before you in dancehall and reggae? That they did something to set the platform for you?
But emotional, but I respect Vice Cartel as an entertainer, just like I respect every other entertainer in the business.
You see what me I try to talk about? You see, the same question when said to Skillibeng say, yo, you show the respect. You understand? So I shield him a show off Alkaline. That's so. So here after that now, him asking at the interview say, yo, if Alkaline no show respect. Remember, you know, from Alkaline first interview, you know, him tell Winford say, yo, him respect Vice Cartel like any other entertainer. You understand? Him show respect to all of the people them. But no, una go see where them want Alkaline to do.
Respect me there before me.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like them I try turn people against me and I try make it seem like that youth and everybody, or that youth are disrespectful, just because I say what them I say. That's what I say. Them want me to say something, I mean I say. That's what I say.
What did they want you to say?
What everybody I say.
Say Gaza! Say Gaza! Richard?
So, there it goes. Alkaline tell you where them want him to say. So Skillibeng tell you on the stage. Same Skillibeng won't hear attack. Say Gaza. That was a problem and the big thing in a dancehall. Them want destroy Alkaline career. You understand? This is why Skillibeng not in these topics today. Him not in these topics. When it comes to dancehall, him is not in the topic. You understand? Because the same bowing system, the same this man call him and Ray, give him pill. Him not stop say cartel everything him do. Cartel, vice cartel, everything. And now focus on them career. You understand? But listen what I go on.
Read between the lines.
You're working with Cartel, I give him credit for what he did for you.
I mean,
Good artist. What do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it.
What me borrow?
Such as your...
Me know my own clothes, me know everything.
Your...
What do you mean?
Okay,
big up
big
your
ass-
So this is the thing, people. Him just say to Skillibeng, say, yo, yeah, give Cartel him respect. Yeah, Ray. Then him asks Alkaline after. So, you're borrowing a few things from Cartel. So Alkaline and say, yo, what you mean? Me know my own clothes and everything. So him get a radam this and then him laugh out. You understand? So at that, them use for how long the youth them carry, but the youth them not no sense. Same like Skillibeng. Him get the pill. All him, if you interview him, go on Vice Cartel. Where is Skillibeng? You understand? The whole on the career now and next man hand. You understand? That on the problem.
Yeah, give the man credit, magic.
I eat money.
That's what man give him credit, but them not say...
Them not give me full credit.
Yeah, no. I'm just asking a question. If you're inspired at all by the great Vibes Cartel, and you're saying no, not at all. He's just like a normal, everyday artist.
No, man. He's a great artist, man. Don't get me wrong, man.
Yeah.
I respect him just like I respect every other artist in dancehall. Because I don't want people to feel like, say, oh, you generate nobody. No, man. Respect everybody in the dancehall space. But people just want me to, I don't know.
It's at the full...
You see it? A while ago, him said to Skillibeng, say, yo, give Vice Cartel him credit, man. Yeah, man. Great. Give him credit. And then him said to Skillibeng, say, some man nah give him credit. See him Alkaline him attack. And you see the video after that, when him say, yo, you say Vice Cartel, you make him seem like some regular artist. And the man's Alkaline say, yo, me respect him like any other artist. Is what me I try to say, just some people want, you know, like him I say, yo, what them want him to say. These are the things. And you see Winford is an industrial, what do I call it? Journalist. You understand? If you realize how him asks these questions. Yeah, man. Is what me I try to say, but look what I go on.
Fullness, yeah.
Because at the end of the day, I really why man don't want to give him the full credit, because they're not really capable of what we doing.
Yeah.
Top 5 lyrical dancehall artists.
So people, seeing? This is what Skillibeng doing now, you know. Seeing? Because remember them say, yo, reason why them no want give Vice Cartel credit because them not doing what we doing. But look here now. Look what I go on another video, yeah.
I would say Vibes Cartel, me, Idonia, Massacre.
So you see that we have to pause that right there, so people. You might think right there, so you know. One day me say Alkaline, you know. I don't know if Cartel will pre me, you know. Yo, I want to say, you know, Jano, a boy bad still, you know, a boy lyrically bad, you know. You know what, if I call him name still, may I go viral. Yeah, man, although I get some backlash and thing, but may I do it because nothing I go on music with me in a dancehall space. Yeah, man.
Alkaline. That's
A few moments later.
A lot of people in the comments say, I should have said Labas. I say, but big up to Labas, because Labas are one of the most lyrical artists in a dancehall, and especially consistent lyrical artists in a dancehall. So, I add him on the fire. So, nobody...
You see why these dancehall artists, you see, the militancy, very lacking. Very lacking, people, may I tell you, very lacking. So, the first video I want to just watch, the man picked the top 5 lyricists. Seeing? Him called Alkaline here. Him never put Chronic Law. Seeing? This is the thing now, you know. Him start get the backlash. You know, Gaza preem, all of these people are preem. Him can't take the backlash. So him looking at the comment now. And him say, yo, Jano, them a beat me, you know. Say it's because him weak and him mental, him get program. Him say, yo, dash Chronic Law in I5. This way me I try tell you. All of these people, them program. You understand? Them a basket. Him couldn't stand up on him own words. Remember, you know, this time opinion, you know. But because them weak, them can't stand on them words. When them go on next interview, them have to change it. This is why you cannot lead dancehall, bro. You cannot lead dancehall. Is what me try to say? You weak. Because if a comment could have make you forward on a platform and say about this, you're not ready yet, brother.
Yeah, cause I get bored for big up loud boss. I say.
You know what? Vice guys ever really pull up sexy rare box? You know why nobody here? Because Vice Cartel was my teacher. Guys.
So, you see, it's like, them money can't just live them career. Some of the time you have to want, them money do music for Cartel or them do music for themselves or them family or what. See? Every time him go up on a stage, Cartel. Zine, where's Skillibeng there? Where's Skillibeng's strength? Where's Skillibeng's strength there? You don't want to build a fan base. You don't want to become greater than Vice Cartel. Everybody just want to be bench and batty business. And this one no want to go. Nobody don't want to be greater than Vice Cartel. John, no, brother, I'm sorry for you know. At that me I tell about people. Listen to the interview where we talk.
Ooh, like any like the OGs from like OG artists from Jamaica, like Vibes or any of them. Do you have like any really? Yeah. Vibes Cartel is my. He's my mentor. He's. Ooh.
People, the reason why I'm a pause it. Confused. You see the love man syndrome? Empty your brain. You understand? The love man syndrome. Make your brain shallow. You don't know what to say. You understand? These are the things with these artists. Yeah, man. But look what I go on.
Alright, Vice Cartel is my favorite artist. Of all time. Yeah, and I have a track with him. I have a song with Vice Cartel. No, but I'm besides. And everybody is strong enough for build a style. I mean, go back to the drawing board, forward back to dancehall and taste it and it work. And everybody can do that and everybody can build a strategy.
A few moments later.
People. And everybody can forward back and build a strategy and all of these things. But look here, people. This is when you focus on the next man career and now build your fan base. I want to know pre that video, you know. And look how the crowd dead. This is when the man in New York, Amazura. You understand? The same Skillibeng where them say, yo, internationally, where, this, that. No crowd rocking, crowd dead. You have to one day for a karaoke party. Look at these people. Look there. Look there, people. This is the Skillibeng, the wap wap bass, the jump bass, the crocodile teeth bass. Crowd dead one sleep one guard them yard. This is the next dancehall king what them call so-called Prince. Bro, them things are disgrace to the genre, bro. You understand? These are the things what we are taught about. Yo, Skillibeng, where, this, that. These are the things. The crowd's not moving. The crowd don't know the song them. You understand? But listen what I go on.
Hold on. Just like that. If you know the song, sing along. I'm in the field. Get at the field. What you say?
And Vibes Cartel teach you that and who no get that from him, I mean, that's why them not to be seen now.
2,000 years later.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up. Huh?
One eternity later.
But here I was all this time, thinking they were Elon Musk, when they were only Elon mustn't.
Because them not take.
This is the dancehall king, the dancehall daddy for Skillibeng. This is the artist we look up to. The man that's on TikTok, disgracing himself, moving like a clown. The same man will come out and say, him come back out at prison for carry the dancehall go to a next level. But listen what I say, people.
Teaching.
You must activate the brain. The power of the brain must be unleashed in music. It's not as frivolous as we think.
I know the Vibes Cartel alone. I mean, a lot of artists are reach out to Skillibeng. You don't know Jada Kingdom come here. Jada Kingdom of a recent
that I was coming to that. Yes.
Boy. I don't know if Vibes Cartel go no. It's like when him call, you know, one chip just fly to your phone and go down the brain. The man pill all out, no. The man pill enough for just stay at one level and no move. Yeah, man, just only build theme fan base. You understand? This is why no career no go the way I no want go. You understand? This is it. But people, I have a next clip for play. Seeing? You don't have to listen to that interview. You don't have to listen to what I go on. These man don't love music. Them love man. Me I tell you people. You understand? Them love man. You see it? But you have to watch an interview. See why I pray.
Get a breakthrough.
Right. So I know that Vibes Cartel is your favorite all-time musician. So in what ways has he influenced you as an artist?
I mean, it's...
People, the reason why I'm positive so, I want to listen to the nonsense we are come out of Skillibeng mouth after this, bro. I have to shake my head. Pre-wagwan.
So many ways, it's unthinkable. Vibes Cartel was my main influence in dancehall music, and I mean, he taught me a lot. He taught me so much that it's too much to cover. And he taught me all of this with just being an example. I just started talking to Vibes Cartel, like, you know.
Skillibeng. Bro, shut up, brother. Shut up, dog. Bro, what you just say a while ago? Bro, you're not saying nothing. Nothing you not say, brother. You the front of a little girl a interview you. What you just explain a while ago? Bro, you don't need to get on a brain like on a IQ, bro. Them say you're lyrical, but bro, if you don't have certain IQ, bro, where you go with that? Bro, I know you can't understand what the man just said a while ago. You understand? But listen what I go on, people.
Over text messages or over messages through people since like 2021, 2022. But before I hadn't met Vibes Cartel yet, he was just a mentor to me in my younger stages of my career, where, you know, everything that person did, he did it the right way in my eyes, and I thought I should do it just like that.
Bro. Skillibeng. Boy, me I tell you to why you never got prison with Cartel, dog? Bro, one want to be like a man, brother. You don't want to be like a man so much till you confused. You want to do this, you want to do that. Bro, what you know, brother? Me see what, bro, me see why, bro, me I tell you, brother, me see why you can't do certain moves in a dancehall, bro. You come like Vibes Cartel, tail. Yeah, man. You come like Vibes Cartel, tail, bro, when I walk with every day. Jano.
So, you know, big up to Vibes Cartel.
It's very important to be inspired by the people who come before you, especially artists. And I also find it great that you have been able to create a bond with an artist that you looked up to.
Yeah, I find it great too. That was a wonderful opportunity for me, and I hope everybody gets to work with their mentor.
Yo, Skillibeng. This bag of twanging, dog. Come down now, brother. Come down now. The bag of twanging thing, bro. Yo, people. No, just, you know, me I tell it to artists. Yo, how dancehall I go further with these type of low level IQ people, bro? I don't know where the man just say a while ago in an interview. Bro, you don't need to think for yourself, brother. You're a big man. Stop think about a next man and try to be a next man, bro. You understand? This is why Alkaline surpass, you know, brother. Because the man want to be great. You understand? The man want to be greater and greater than who set the platform for him. But it's like, you just want to be bench and batty. You just want to be beside the man. You don't want to do everything what the man do. You understand? Yo, me I tell you people, but people, I don't know. Me I tell you, big up everybody, you know. Big respect, you know. Yeah, man, respect for the support. You don't know anything said. That is it.